Doubled on the railroad back. Okay, we got some energy, had coffee, we had supper. Nice hot bowl of chili from Wendy's, full of crackers. And we thought we'll come down to the meter and test out. Why I test with the meter, the old switch versus the new switch, they seem the same in the switching, throwing current. But then I put the old, I thought maybe it's good. Then after I put it back in, instant short. Knocked the power supply out, the controller and everything. Shorting out, you could hear it and see it on the light. Drops out. Excuse me. So now we're got number 8 from the other side that I had on hand. This means I got to buy another one next week. Got it in, put it in, turn everything on, it's fine. Power's good. So now we have to rebuild. There's no short right there. I think we want to piece this small one in first. Right there, because I'm going to do things one thing at a time. I'll put it in, make sure there's no short. Then I'll hook up a feeder wire, the common red, hook up the white feeder wire, make sure there's no short, because that's involving the 2 insulated frog. And I'm going to make sure there's enough gap in the rail that it won't squeeze up right now. I don't know if you can see that. Good gap right there. So that's good gap. It's not compressed like it was. Next time if it does, I'm going to cut a slot and put another piece of styrene in to rejoin it. So I don't know. This switch, I don't know. It just doesn't look right to me. When I look at the underneath there, those cross wires under the frog don't look right. Something ain't right there. It's kind of, it looks like a burn spot on the left, and looks like a burn through where they cross each other. They're probably insulated with clear, and I can't see it, and probably burned through. So there's like an intermittent short, now it's a dead short. So we're going to put that piece in next. Get some flex out, cut that, fit it, test it like I said, added power leads. Probably go without the power leads at first, but you'll have to have the red one on to make sure everything's right. Got a problem right there still with solder. Got to clean off more. Get my iron out and try to, may have to put a new tip on. Can't get that to clean off, there's like a bubble. Do that. Then we'll go to the other side. And this was in 2 pieces, could have had trouble fitting it. We're going to make it 1 piece of flex. Make it much smoother, no break in the middle. Kind of kinky right there in the middle where the wires were. So that's a project. I guess I'll work on hot the iron up and try to get this cleaned off better. Tried it with the grinder, Dremel. Couldn't get it. It's got to get down there to magnifiers and try to get that cleaned up before I can proceed. So we'll take a break and do all that. I'm going to film it. Battery on the phone's got to be kept alive. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. Good success so far. See what we got here. So we didn't even wire the jumpers back. Got the new switch in. Nailed down to the back. Got the feeder, or the, oh, I know what you call it, a gap filler piece in there. Flex. Real nice flex. Got that on. Got past the solder problems on the left side. Got the joiners on. Did enough filing, grinding. Got them on. Got a good gap in there between those rails on both inside and outside. I got wiggle room there. That rail, see, find my pointer again, got buried. It's very fluid situation here. So I got this rail right here will slide. I got a gap there, you can see it. And got a pretty good gap in there. This one's okay. So I can play that rail, slide it to the left. I'm splitting the gap. It can free slide, that rail free slides. So that's good. It'll move if it has to. It won't jam up and pinch. So now we're ready to measure this out. I still got enough flex, I don't know. I don't think so. Have to find another one now. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, just short. Okay, great. Pull out another one, fish another one out, and get in there marking. I'll tell you, I got these new cutters, True Track cutters, Xuron. Guess the ones they sent me before never were track cutters. Where is it? Look at the head on that thing. See how they look? The other ones are always... Those really cut, man, they are perfect. And they're very clean. Comes out very clean. Minimal filing. Making a big difference. So I use my superfine marker, extra ultra fine Sharpie to get one track. Let's see now. Here I'm going to do it there because I got an insulator and a regular. It's hard to get in the insulator. I'll put this side in first. Then you get it, lay it in there and mark it, cut it, put the joiners on, slide them all the way back. Got to cut ties back, double ties. And then you can lay it down in there and slide them forward over the joints. That works good. Hard thing for me right now is working backwards. I'm having to pull things with my right hand to the right, and I can't see underneath my hand then when I'm trying to mate up the joiners. Might have to get my lefty wife down here to do it. That's progress. We're going to keep moving. I think we'll finish it tonight. It's 7:45 right now. Going to keep going. Get this thing operational. Worry about the feeders later. I think it'll work without them. Just don't have block control. We've got the power on. We're going to cut that off. It's not shorting no matter what I do. Turn the whole power off. So that's good. We'll be back when we get this piece in. Wrap it up. Okay, Double Diamond Railroad back for the next to final segment. Still got to wire jumpers. But everything's working, it seems. Had to use some CRC on the switch. Had oil on it. Rub it down. But we're working. Went in there and pulled the train out. Now we're going to put him back. As soon as I get going in the right direction. Coming in out there. So you see the new black right there. So down. There's the new switch. Other was definitely bad. I put it back in shorts. Something wrong with it. Throw it out. Order another one. Okay. Engine's going to come in right here. I got to watch the tail. He's running over the switch, which it wouldn't do just a minute ago until I sprayed it and scrubbed the points. And the point, okay, slow down. 2 miles an hour. That'll do right there. There he is, it works. Go ahead and uncouple, run the engine out. Stand by. Okay, we'll run him out. We want to try the other Sector 2 track there. Block 2. I'm going to try that. I don't know if it'll work without the jumper wires. Feeders. Actually hit this red one, got stuck on it. Okay, get up to 10 miles an hour. Right there. So then we'll try going back through the switch the other way. Okay, that's good. Throw this switch right here, the new one. And we're going back on the other side of number 3 track. See if we can run without those feeder wires. So if the joiners are any good or if the gaps are totally killing it. I don't have the common or anything hooked up. Right there you're past the gap, so Somehow it's still working because there's feeders farther back that were there originally. Okay, now he hit a dead spot. But will it go if I bump him like the other one did? No shorts. Will he go past or is he dead now? I think he's, oh, he got something. Just the frog not getting fed right. So, stop and stop. I'm going to try something. Spray in there again. Spray that switch, see what happens. Spray him. Scrub it. Toothbrush scrub. See if we can get it. See if it'll work. Could be crap in there, who knows. Okay, let's see if he'll come out of there. Through that switch. Come back the other way. So he'll have to have the feeders, that's what they're there for. Yeah, very short. Dead. Dead right there. Well, the switch was the wrong way from cleaning. Okay, go back. Let's try it again. Turn the power back on, number 2. Here he comes. That's my bad when I was cleaning. I don't know if he can go without feeders. Well, he did. Must have been dirt. There he goes. No shorts. So that switch is bad, the one I pulled out. It's going under trash. All the way out through. Now let's do an ultimate test. Throw this switch. Get this out of the way. I started putting stuff away and then I forgot to do something. I had to drag it all back out. Always do that, trying to keep things neat. Okay, now we'll come back. 10 mile an hour. Try to go through that switch the other way. Oh, we got a wire, look out. He's got trouble there. Three and 4 aren't on. Turn 3 on. Right there. Okay, that's good. So we'll take him back here so we have him at the ready for testing after we solder. So let him sit back here. Okay, that's a relief. That is a relief. We got torn up on this one. My thumb definitely shed blood on that. Split it out, it got jointed stuck in me. All kinds of stuff. Oh, I had track nails in me, all kinds of things. Painful, painful operation. But actually, this is better. That right there is way more, one piece flex right here. Before I had one cut in right here, and it janky in the middle, jagged like. That's a very smooth transition coming off. And running the cars in and out looks way better. Don't hear any clicking. We're in good shape there. So now it's dress it down, solder the wires back. Do that tomorrow. It is now 9 o'clock at night, I'm done. I had coffee, had supper, came down, thought I'll try this piece. Well, I tested the switch and I thought, yeah, it's bad. Put that switch in, tried that piece. Still everything worked. Then we added a final piece because I'm pretty sure it was the switch, so then I went on. Okay, I'll wrap it up for this one. Thanks guys for watching through the breaks here as we got it repaired. Now I got to find order another switch. 37 something plus $13.50 shipping. 3 days wait, UPS. Not in a hurry. Think I'm going to order a track cleaning car first. Need that more. Right now. The other side can wait. I didn't even sand the switch or Run the gauge through it or nothing yet. Seems pretty smooth. I tried big engines in there. See what they do. The cards didn't derail, so that's good. Okay, take care. God bless. Have a great week. What's left? Stay warm. It's going to be another big cold snap Saturday with snow. A little bit of snow here tomorrow, maybe a half inch. Double Diamond Railroad out.